In this class, we are looking at inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix or second order inverse. Now, the inverse of a matrix is given by, if the matrix is P, then you have P inverse is given by adjoint of P over determinant of P. Inverse is given by the adjoint of the matrix over the determinant of the matrix. Let's use this example to look at how to calculate inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Given that K, you have K is 6, 3, 1, 2. The first thing that I need to do is to first find my adjoint of K. So my ADJK, that's adjoint of K. You recall, adjoint means that change the elements in the leading diagonal, change their position, then change the signs of the elements in this place. So what do you have there? You have this and this will change their position. So 6, this is 1, to turn to -1, this is 3, -3. So that's my ADJK. Then I'll find my determinant of K also. How do I get determinant? That's my modulus of K. I'll multiply the elements along the leading diagonal. I'll subtract the elements along the principal diagonal from it. That's this multiplied by this, that will give me 12 minus this multiplied by this, that's 3. So 12 minus 3 will give me 9. So this is my adjoint, this is my determinant. Then my adjoint over determinant will give me K inverse. So therefore my K inverse will now be equal to K inverse will be equal to adjoint of K over determinant of K. So you have K inverse. Adjoint of K is this. So you have 2 minus 3 minus 1 6 divided by the determinant, which is 9. That's 1 over 9. So it's either you can write it like this, which is acceptable, or you can use the 9 to divide everything in the matrix, such that something like this, K inverse, will now be equal to, this will be 2 over 9, minus 3 over 9, minus 1 over 9, 6 over 9. So all this one now, you can reduce them. This minus 3 over 9, that will give me 1 over 3. So this will give me 1 over 3. And this will give me 3 over 6. That's 2 over 6. So it's either you give me the answer like this or like this. The two of them are acceptable. So this is how you find inverse of a matrix. First find the adjoint of the matrix divided by the determinant of the matrix. Let's look at this second example. Q is equal to -5 minus 4. Then you have -2 0. So the first thing I need to do is my ADJQ, adjoint of Q, I'll interchange this one. That will be 0 minus 5. This is minus, will now be 2. This one will be 4. That's my adjoint of K. Then I'll now look for determinant of adjoint of Q. Then determinant of Q. Determinant of Q. I'll multiply this by this, subtract this and this from it. -5 times 0. That will give me 0. Then minus 2 times -4. That will give me 8 plus 8. So you have 0 minus 8. That will give me -8. That's my determinant now. So my Q inverse will be equal to ADJQ over determinant of Q. So my Q inverse should be equal to 0 for 2 minus 5, then divided by 1 over -8. Or Q inverse can be written as 0 over minus 8, 4 over minus 8, 2 over minus 8, then you have minus 5 over minus 8. So you can simplify this one now so that you have Q inverse should now be equal to Q inverse should now be equal to 0. This and this will cancel out, give me minus 1 over 2 here. And this will still remain, this will still give me minus 1 over 4, and this will give me 5 over 8. But minus and minus will cancel out. So either it is like this, or like this. So this is how you calculate inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So you can see inverse of a matrix is very simple. So in the next class, we are now going to 3 by 3 matrix. Or no, you may still look at determinant method and inverse method of solving simultaneous equation 2 by 2 first.